All right, guys, we're going to do Try It problem number 3 from section 1.1. And this one's actually a pretty easy problem, especially if you use your Desmos calculator. So go on and grab your Desmos calculator either on desmos.com or in your app. And you're going to just stick this h of x in that is right here. Stick this guy in for Desmos right there. Remember, h of x is the same thing as y, so you can type in the y equals. Now we're looking for where is the graph positive. So when we're talking about positive, our delineating mark is this x-axis, this line. So we're looking at what is above the x-axis, that's positive, and what's below the x-axis, that's negative. So anything that's above the x-axis, which would be all of this guy, that's going to be our positive value, and anything below the x-axis, which is going to be all of this guy, that's going to be our negative value. So we just have to know how to write that in interval notation. So we go back to that fancy form. So our positive one, we did that in red, so I'll pick a red color, is going to be from this -5 right here and above. So it's going to go from -5 to infinity. Now we use parentheses on -5 because that point at -5, it's 0. So it's neither positive nor negative at -5. For the negative function, we're just going to do the same thing, but we're going to switch it. So we're going to go from -infinity to -5. Sorry about that. -infinity to -5. Again, we're using parentheses both places in order to say that we are not including the number -5. And that's it. If it asked you for which number is neither negative nor positive, our answer would be -5.